We have a big buying pressure right now for those stocks that we're gonna talk about. Is this the correction for them? Are we visited the bottom for them? Are we having a big squeeze for them? Right now we're gonna discuss what's gonna happen for those stocks. First off, everybody knows what's going on with Exila. The price went crazy up around the 45%. As we said, we're gonna see the price buying pressure happening where around the 0.28, and here we bought around the 0.34 cent and we went crazy up. And yesterday and today, even though there's a lot of stock, we have it in red, Sophie, we have Clough, we have LKCO, we have even AMC and Nvidia and Apple is trending down. And you can see it here. Apple, we have it down, Nvidia, Tesla, you name it. However, Exila is going up. So right now we have to be cautious with Exila. You know what's going to happen right now? If we go in a big picture, we see a bit of resistance. This is descending line, and we never broke from it since we got rejected around the $2 where the last year around November, okay, and we always get rejected, and with even this big jump, just be cautious right now around the 0.63. This will be kind of a rejection area. The thing that will confirm that we have a reversal. First, if we close above here, the best indication is the 0.80 cent to confirm that we break or broke this ascending line, and we close above here, even 1 hour candle, okay, around the 0.80. So this will be a confirmation when we close here for Exila in order to see above the $1 or $1.46. Where we confirm the momentum change for Exila. However, right now we visited this bottom. So if we want to confirm, we never go back to this bottom again. As I said, breaking for this ascending line, closing above this support, 0.80, we confirm this is the bottom. However, if we get rejected, by tomorrow around the 0.63, we're gonna see the price gravitate down again and again until we hit the 0.828 cents. So be careful from this. Even after this jump, I will be extra careful because right now we have a decisive moment to confirm everything for Exila. The next one, we have ATER. We have a lot of requests for ATR because a lot of you ask me what's gonna happen to ATR. Are we gonna see the squeeze for ATR because it's been heavily talked about in Reddit. So ATR have a resistance coming up around the $3.08. As we said, for the squeeze, it didn't happen. I warned my hunter on Patreon and even an hour here on our Discord, Lacquer Investing, we said that don't buy around this area where around the 6th of December when we said don't buy until we have a confirmation candle above the $5.80. And you see what's going on. We get rejected because we have our 200 execution average is still bearish. We trending below it. You see, we still bearish because we still trending below this execution average. And you see right now we have even lower resistance here around the $3.08. So right now we up 5%. What we want to confirm is overcome this resistance and close above it and make it support in order to go to the next resistance around the $3.92. This will confirm that we started to do lower highs and starting to reverse. The sign of squeeze will be around the $5.80 for ATER. Next up, we have PIXY, Shift Pixie. So this one as well has been heavy talk about in Reddit. And as we said in the live streaming that we always do on Friday, 8 p.m. Paris time, what we said, the $2.04 is the resistance. And guess what? We tested, rejected today. You know why? Because here we still have this ascending line. This same scenario as for Exila. You see, we have the same chart pattern for for our stock here, and we still didn't have a confirmation to break from this bearish trend. We want to confirm if we close above the $2.13, and you can see here already put the trigger around the $2.20. okay, so right now I'll be watching this stock by tomorrow. If we have the pre-market by tomorrow overcome this resistance and close here, will be a trigger for the price to go higher and at least test around the $3. Here will be another test for Pixie. However, if we don't have the price go up and get rejected, we have support around that 0.87 again, and we go below the $1. So this is a kind of a turning point for our stock. And the other one that I'm actually watching, this stock, which is MDRX, is bumping while we speak right now, and we can see here the price is like overcome this resistance, the 1898, and doing higher lows. So I entered around this area around the 1990, and this was my support, and the price is going up. So there's a potential that the price will go around the 28 here before we're gonna see another massive squeeze up again. So for this one is we have the volume is picking up 5 million today. When it the market opened, it was around the 1 million. So the volume is picking up for this one, and I anticipate the price to go at least around the 21-28 for this one. And the other one we have Prague. And Prague is bumping up because, as we said, we visited near our support, the $1.10, and the price went up. Right now we have again for this one resistance around the $1.48, because you see here we have our exponential average coil here, so we have potential for rejection by tomorrow. So what we should expect by tomorrow, if we close $1.48, this will be bullish. If we didn't and we get rejected, will be bearish, and we visit the $1.22. Simple as possible. I'm trying to make it simple as possible, so you never has like you have a like stress-free trade and you execute. Because if you have a lot of things to do while you trade, trust me, you'll be like paranoid, and you miss a lot of good trade because you distracted. You run here, you run there, you buy here, you buy there, then you sell there because the price went down a bit, because you actually don't have a strategy. So you get out with the loss, you jump on the stock that jump like almost 50% or 45%, and the price go down the next day. So if you don't have a strategy, please don't trade. The best thing to do is never trade. Never trading is better than trade and losing money. This is kind of a good advice I can give you, and it was late for me because I traded and have FOMO and nobody told me, and I lost money. So I learned the hard way and don't want to happen to you. So if you want to build a strategy and know how to hunt as insider do, join us in the link comment section below for Patreon, Discord, and to get alert and hunt exactly at the price value. So without further ado, see you in the next video.